How to unlink TikTok from Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. Simply tap on the search bar and type Facebook. Now click on search. Now tap on Facebook. Now make sure to update the Facebook to the latest version. After updating, go back to the home screen and open up Facebook. Now on the home page, simply tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now click on Settings. Now scroll down and find Apps and Websites. Now click on it. Now wait for some time and find TikTok on this list. Simply tap on TikTok. Now tap on Remove. Now click on Remove. Now wait for some time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.